What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be part 3 in the Martingale grid strategy. And so for this one, what we're going to try and do is actually find a profitable one to run. And yeah, we'll do that with back testing, and then we will set it on a live account and let you know about the results later. So first things first, let's open it up. But the first thing actually I want to point out is the reason why we did something. So let me open it. Alright, so you probably know, well, you might not, but what I want to explain is why we use this target value. It seems like it's just extra work because what we can do, what's part of Ninjascript, is setting a set what's it called? Set profit target calculation mode dot currency, and then we can set the amount of dollars or whatever currency you want to win on every trade, and that is essentially exactly what we're doing here. But this does not work on back testing, so that's why we need to do this extra step of calculating this, and then it's kind of turning into currency mode but then reversing it, if that makes sense. So that's why we do that and have to do that extra step, and then it's the exact same for the stop price. So just in case you were wondering why we do that, hopefully that should clear it up a little bit. But now we are going to work on a gold. I heard gold overnight is good for, because since it moves pretty slow, then it's good to get, kind of just some consolidations up and down, which is exactly what we want for a martingale strategy. We don't want sharp moves in one direction. So let's do it. So we already have, this is the exact same strategy as before. Actually, what I'm going to do is create a new strategy. Do YouTube Martingale gold, and then generate, compile. Then we're gonna open the previous one, Control A, Control C, copy everything. Control A, Control V in the new one. We'll compile that. Gotta close Ninjascript. Oh yeah, so when you copy and paste, you need to change here the name of the strategy. So we named the new one Martingale. I spelled it wrong, but the old one is spelled wrong. Martingale gold. And then we also want to change it down here so the name appears the same when we want to load it in the strategies tab. So that should be all we need. Let's compile it. And there we go. So now we have that, a duplicate in our strategies tab. But we want to edit. So let's open up Visual Studio. Strategies, Martingale gold. Okay, so now we are not going to use any of this entry logic, but we still have our go long and go shorts and our exit logic. So all we need to do is say when we want to enter the first position. So we want to basically just spam it, basically make it a high frequency bot. So what we're going to do is, if trying to think what would we open up gold. We could just do whenever it's in a position, or whenever it's flat to open a new one. So it's going to be in a position 24/7. Why? Let's see. Looks like I don't have data for gold. Why is that? Okay. There we go. Looks like it ends June 4th. And alright, we got plenty of data. Alright. So we could just do gold is generally bullish. So you could just do if market, which is just an else. So here, if we are not flat, we set up our exit logic, but else, if we are flat, then just go long. So we'll compile that, check that it's working here, and then let's go ahead and back test it. Remove these. Add TP ticks. Estimate period. That's not going to do anything, so let's remove that after the next one. But strategies, enable. So in theory, it should always be in a position. As soon as we close it, we enter the next one. So buy. Looks like it hits stop loss here. Okay, well, that's already an error. Should have taken profits here. Let's see. Let's see why does okay, so that one looks good. We buy here. Okay, this one is also wrong. Should have been down here. This one is wrong. Should have been here. Okay, so looks like good that we found that, but looks like the target price is not being calculated correctly. So alright, so I think it's working now. Didn't really change anything. Actually, I mean, I didn't change anything. I think it was just because gold just that time had that much slippage or something, but not really sure why that happened. Also, was just looking at this new simulated data feed, that everybody has. It's a new part of Ninjatrader, and it's supposed to be so you can trade. It's just simulated data. It's just random. And so here you can see the bid and ask, and you can trade and everything. But it doesn't. It's not printing new candle bars. So I don't know if anybody else uses that and knows how to fix it, or if I'm doing it wrong. But that would be pretty cool to use. But okay, well, back to the strategy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do if market position. Yep. So if we're in a flat position, if close 0 is greater than open 0. So basically, if it's a bullish candle and close 0 is greater than the, yeah, we'll keep the SMA kind of just as a little trend thing. SMA 0, then we go long. Else, if close 0 is less than open 0, so a bearish candle, and close 0 is less than SMA, then we go short. So, I mean, I just completely made this up just now, but let's see how that does. Yeah, it'd be really nice if this would show the bars, because that'd be...
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, let me know if anyone knows how to use that correctly, because that might just be me. Probably it's just me. But, oh, what just happened?
Order filled. Order filled.
It's gone now. Where'd it go? Alright then. Oh, it's because apparently this chart changed to that somehow. Who knows? Alright. So we got this. Let's just use this.
Order submitted.
Close. I don't know why. How this is in
Order submitted.
positions. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Okay. But let's run this. Alright, yeah, we compiled it. Then let's go to our goal strategy.
Order submitted.
Just make sure it's working. Looks like, yeah, so boom, boom. Alright, so looks like it's working. Hear you instead of pending order. Yeah, I don't know what the heck is going on. But now what we want to do is we're just here to backtest it. So I already downloaded the data for gold, which to do that, go to tools, historical data, download, instrument, put in the dates, and download. That'll just download the minute data. So we're going to optimize YouTube Martingale Gold. So number of orders, let's do 2 up to 8 by 1. And TP and ticks. What was this one? So we just loaded it when we loaded up.
Order submitted.
So this is about, let's see, sell at $23.92. Bought 10-ish points lower. Ticks are 100, so 100 ticks is 10 points, looks like, for gold. So let's do, yeah, we get it 25 by 250 by 25 period. We can do 7 by 21 by 7. Base contract size, leave at 1. Then we'll do gold on the 1 minute. Start date, let's do last year. Wait, yes, break at end of day. And then for our futures time, which one? I have no idea. Which one would be basically overnight. But yes, we want to include commission, high order fill resolution, slippage of gold overnight probably has a lot. So we'll do 3. That's going to be pretty extreme. And then we'll do net profit to max drawdown. And let's run it. Hopefully, let's see how long it's going to take. Alright, so yeah, we'll let this run. Alright, so that only got us 2 profitable strategies, which is not good at all. So let's see. Inputs usually look like they're about 75 to 150. They all have 2 orders. So let's get rid of 2. So a minimum of 4. And then switch this to max net profit. And run it again. Alright, so now we have some profitable strategies at least. But they all have a negative or a profit to drawdown ratio of less than 1. So that is not, we don't want to see that. But let's see if my entry time, and then see if so it does good in the mornings. Yeah, well, none of these look good. So what can we do? I mean, slippage of 0, maybe that's, this might be an extreme slippage and it's just killing the strategy. So here we had 51,000, 40,000, 16,000. So let's see if slippage of 0 changes that at all. Alright, so with 0 slippage, we definitely get much better results. So here we have, this is a 2 to 1, more or less 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 1 to 1. So here we have a lot better return compared to our drawdown. Looks like all of them though do pretty good at 8:30, and then not so good after that. You know, I don't want the chart. I want this. Yeah, these look. This one looks decent, except for this. You don't like to see big spikes. So, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't run this on a demo account even. Just see. I mean, for one, you would need at least 270,000 to run this strategy, which I doubt anyone watching this video has that. Maybe we should. Yeah, I don't know. Might just be. I mean, Martingale might just not be a good strategy to run. I mean, yeah, because the entry shouldn't. I mean, it doesn't really affect it too much because it's really. I mean, usually entries are either right or wrong, whether it turns the direction right there. They don't really, aren't going to affect whether it turns direction later. So, yeah, I think we'll just not have anything for golds. Nothing that I like that I would even bother running on a demo account, but yeah, you guys let me know if you have any parameters you want to try or any entry conditions that you want to try on this Martingale strategy. I can for sure easily type those up and see if we can find something to back test that to then run on a demo account. But yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Please like. I get a lot of views, but not many likes. So if you could help by liking, I think that'd help my channel grow a lot. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.